You're watching Tap Tech, the place where we talk about new tech in clear and simple words. We test gadgets so you can see if they are really worth buying. Today we're looking at the Amazfit Balance to smartwatch and what makes it special. The Amazfit Balance 2 is a smartwatch made for people who want health tracking, sports features, and smart tools all in one device. It's built for everyday use, but also works well for workouts and outdoor activities. Amazfit designed it to be light, comfortable, and easy to use. The design is clean and stylish. It has a round case made from aluminum, which feels light but strong. The edges are smooth, and the watch looks modern on the wrist. The strap is soft silicone, so it's comfortable to wear all day, even when exercising. You can swap the straps easily if you want a different look. The watch is also water-resistant up to 5 atm, so you can swim with it or wear it in the rain. The display is a bright AMOLED screen with sharp colors and deep blacks. It's 1.5 inches, which gives plenty of space to see your stats, notifications, and watch faces. The screen is bright enough to see in sunlight, and it responds well to touch. You can choose from many watch faces, from simple digital looks to detailed fitness dashboards. Performance is smooth, thanks to Amazfit's lightweight software. The watch runs on Zepp OS, which is easy to understand and doesn't slow down. It has quick animations, fast swipes, and opens menus instantly. It can track your workouts, check health data, control music, and get notifications from your phone. It works with both Android and iOS devices. The Amazfit Balance 2 comes with many health features. It can track heart rate all day, monitor blood oxygen levels, and check stress levels. It also has advanced sleep tracking that shows your sleep stages, breathing patterns, and suggestions to improve rest. There's a body composition feature too, which can estimate muscle mass, fat percentage, and water levels. This is useful for people who want a full view of their fitness. For workouts, the watch supports more than 150 sports modes. Whether you run, cycle, swim, hike, or lift weights, it can track your activity. It uses GPS for accurate outdoor tracking, and the GPS locks on quickly. You can see distance, pace, calories burned, and more while you work out. The watch can also auto-detect some exercises, so you don't have to start tracking manually. One of the strong points of Amazfit watches is battery life, and the Balance 2 is no different. It can last up to 14 days with normal use and around a week with heavy use, including GPS workouts. If you use the battery saver mode, it can go even longer. Charging is fast, and the magnetic charger snaps on easily. The smartwatch also has some smart features that make daily life easier. You can see messages, answer calls when connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Set reminders, check the weather, and control your music. It even supports Alexa, so you can ask questions or control smart home devices with your voice. App on your phone stores all your health and workout data in one place and gives clear insights. Audio is clear for calls, and the built-in microphone picks up your voice well. The speaker is good enough for calls and basic alerts, though it's not meant for music playback. Connectivity is reliable, with Bluetooth 5.34 fast and stable pairing. It also has Wi-Fi for updates and SYNCING. Price-wise, the Amazfit Balance 2 is a good value. It costs less than many premium smartwatches, but offers many of the same features. You get health tracking, long battery life, a bright AMOLED screen, strong sports tracking without spending as much as on brands like Apple or Samsung. The good points are clear: great battery life, bright display, comfortable design, accurate tracking, and good value for the price. It's easy to use, works with both major phone platforms, and has a strong set of health features. The main downsides are that the App Store is small compared to Apple or Wear OS, and you can't reply to messages on iPhone. Also, while the GPS is good, it's not as advanced as some sports-focused watches. Still, the Amazfit Balance 2 is a very strong choice for people who want a reliable smartwatch without paying a premium price. It's stylish, smart, and packed with useful features. It works well for everyday wear, fitness, and health tracking. If you want a smartwatch that looks good, lasts long, and helps you stay on top of your health and workouts, the Amazfit Balance. 2 is an easy recommendation, gives you a lot for the money, and does most things very well. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech reviews every day.